DeepSeek can also help solve math problems. So for an example, you can go ahead and give it a problem. Let's say, for example, you can say a car has the speed of 50 km per hour. How much time it would take for it to reach a 2000 kilometer destination, assuming that it takes break every 1.5 hours for 5 minutes each. Let's say, for example, I gave it a math problem. So let's just go around and hit the send button right here. And now what happens is that DeepSeek will start calculating it. So it says to determine the total time required for the car to reach 2000 kilometers. You can see there's the speed of car, the total distance, the driving time right here, just like this, and determined by the number of brakes, as you can see right here. So now it started calculating out everything, as you can see right here, and then gives me the final result right here, just like this. So it says the total travel time is approximately 42 hours and 10 minutes, and it gives me the result accordingly right here. Let me just go around onto new chat, and what you can also do is, let's say, for example, something like convert 78 decimal number to binary and octal, and let's say, for example, hexadecimal right here. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then it's a math problem as well. Or you can also go ahead and give a math problem in equations and it'll do that. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So it says converting 78 to binary, and then you can see that it actually went ahead and first converted it into binary, then it converted it into octal, and now it'll convert it out into hexadecimal and gives me the result accordingly right there. So that is how you can go ahead and get mathematical solutions inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.